Good afternoon, my name is Nathan Gillette Porras Gutierrez. This is my classroom project final. Topic: Music and strategy to improve listening skills in the school model for students from 5th to 11th grade. Improve listen in 5th grade students, encouraging listening to music in English to increase vocabulary and adapt the ear in English. I made this project real in the professional practice of my students, encouraging the class to listen to music in English as playful part of the class in order to improve the language and learn new vocabulary. It is a tool that today is used to make the class more interesting and practice the subject in class as a model to encourage English in the learning of sounds and new vocabulary. The idea as classroom project in this case, children's songs or favorite artists of the students in the class so that are motivated with the language and have the interest of learning vocabulary is a great help. General objective of the research: overcome the performance level of the listening skill in a group of 5th grade students from the Juan Pablo II School in the town of Bosa, Carbonell, through the implementation of songs in English, specifically the performance of the listening skills. Design a didactic sequence that integrates songs in English in order to improve performance. Methodology: developed project is carried out through the projection of sound at children's around in the classroom, where the students listen to the sounds, and playful activity such as karaoke, flashcard, is carried out where the sound here and the playful activity are involved. Flashcard and karaoke music. This is my project final. Thank you so much. Bye bye.